Hello, I'm Suzanne from the Dickinson Public Library. Today I'm going to show you how to sign up and navigate Beanstack. First, head over to our website, and on the homepage you'll see a button that says click here to join the challenge. When you click on that button, you'll be redirected to our Beanstack homepage. If you already have an account, you can go ahead and sign in. If this is your first time, you can quickly create an account with your email address. You do have the option to sign someone else up under your account. For kids under 18, it is highly recommended that a parent or guardian adds them as an additional reader to their account. So now that you are signed up or signed in, let's quickly navigate Beanstack. In the upper left-hand corner, you'll have the option to go to the home page, log your reading, or add a review of what you are reading. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll see your name. When you click on that, you can either edit your profile or add a reader. You'll also see a setting cog where you can edit your account or sign out. I have an additional button, so you can just ignore that. Now here in the middle, you'll have a lot of different options. First, we have challenges, friends, reviews, all badges, reading log, and recommendations. Here at the bottom, you can sign up for any available challenges. Alright, going back to the top. When you click on that Friends tab, you can add friends by using a share code. Once you've added your friends, you can compete with each other and check out the leaderboard. This is where you can see all of your reviews. If you're like me, you might want to see all of your badges and achievements. Try and build up a reading streak by using the reading log, and check out any of our recommendations here. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more videos. Happy reading!